Welcome back to episode 2 of Saving the Morris Minor, where today it's time to change the interior. These seats are pretty nasty and they gotta go. So what I've done is I bought 2 seats, 2 door cards for £100, bringing the new total of the project to £1,111. And here are the seats. Yes, you may have noticed they are bright red, but that's alright. I'm going to match them to a colour similar to the interior already, the light blue, and we're going to prep them and paint them. Let's go. That's the seats and door cards all painted. Happy days. Let's take these ones out and get the new ones in. Alright, that is the driver's seat out. Nice and easy, just like 4 bolts holding it in. And look at the legroom I've got now. Oh, I can almost drive like this. But I suppose I better put the seats in. So the next thing is take this little passenger seat out. Then I'm going to also replace the door cards. So we'll take this seat out first, do the door cards, and we'll have a nice brand new interior. That's the seats all taken out. It was quite a simple job really, just 4 bolts per seat. But are you ready to see the new interior? Here it is, all done. Door cards, the seats. It's looking fresh, it's looking clean. Tell me what you think to the colour. Should I have stayed with the red? I prefer this colour. There's just one thing, I've still got to buy the rear seats, so as soon as I get them, I'll match them to this colour. And if you've liked watching today's episode, please like and subscribe, because next time we've got the big one. We've got to do the full respray. As you can see, there's a lot of work that needs doing, but we'll do the respray, get it looking good, and until next time, thank you for watching and peace out.